The Pacific Ocean, Earth's largest and deepest expanse of water, spans more area than all the world's land masses combined. Its vastness is punctuated by thousands of islands, each with its unique cultures and ecosystems, including famous ones like Hawaii, Fiji, and Tahiti. This ocean, however, is far from static, as it encircled the Ring of Fire, a zone known for its intense tectonic activity, characterized by frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. This geological hotspot has left an indelible mark on the region's landscapes and climates, underscoring the ever-changing and dynamic nature of the Pacific Ocean's realm.